How to see a Snapchat friend request sent. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see a Snapchat friend request sent. First of all, you need to open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Now, you need to switch to the chat section. Here, go to the search bar and search for any random username. Just to show you, I'm adding a new contact. Once done, tap on this Add Friends icon given on the top. After that, tap on these three dots given on your top right corner. Now, you can see the option of Recently Added by Me and tap to open it. Here, you will find all of the Snapchatters that you have recently added as your friends. In other words, these are the friend requests that you have sent recently. Also, check out our video on how to see if someone viewed your Snapchat profile. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.